Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Prediction of Solar Irradiation 1 hour ahead based on the quantum long short-term memory algorithm. Our project abstract is short-term forecasting of photovoltaic PV power generation. Ensure that the scheduling and dispatching of the electrical power and help design the PV integrated energy management system. Energy management system based on the battery and then supercapacitor to enhancing the security of grid operation. However, due to the randomly of the solar energy, the output of PV system will be fluent which have the safe operation of the grid. To solve this problem, so high precision hybrid prediction model based on VQC virtual quantum circuit using the long short term memory algorithm network. They predict that the solar irradiation 1 hour in advance. The VQC is embedded in LSTM to the iteratively optimize the weight parameter for the 4 gate. One is a 4 gate input gate cell set and then output gate to improve the prediction of accuracy. To evaluate the prediction of model, 5 solar radiation observation located in China are selected. Together the widely model including the moving average convolution neural network, recurrent neural network and gate recurrent neural network, and then LSTM. We have the compare it for the understudy session of month. First we have taken the input data set. Input selection means we have read the input data, that is the solar irradiation data. So first we have taken the solar irradiation data. After that the data pre-processing. Data pre-processing means we have cleaning the data. So we have carried out the data selection to data pre-processing. First we are checking the missing values. How many values we are checking? We are values are missing, we are checking. After the label encoding means we are converting to the string to integer conversion. After that the data splitting process, it based on the 80% of training and 20% of testing model. So this it based on the splitting ratio. So training testing means in our data we have the splitting to the 8:2 ratio wise. After that, the classification algorithm using long short term memory algorithm and navy bias. So long short term memory algorithm is a deep learning algorithm. Navy bias based on the machine learning algorithm. Finally we have predicted the solar irradiation level. Finally we have calculated the performance analysis.